Maestro provides our insights to our customers about their assets, their shipments, their locations, how they're interacting, and then pending issues within their network so that they can respond to it. We transform data into real-time visibility, streamlining our customers' workflows and enhancing them with their decision-making. So let's dive in and take a look at Maestro. Maestro is an integrated ecosystem for supply chain management. What that means is that we've taken numerous amounts of data from shipping lines, customs, terminals, etc., along with integrating many different types of IoT devices to provide our users an analytical tool that they can understand their network better. ESP created what we call ESP Maestro Assistant. This assistant's powered by large language processing, which allows me to come in and ask a simple question like, what ships are destined for Los Angeles? It's going out now, looking at that information, and bringing back all the ships that are destined for Los Angeles. From here, we thought, well, this is great, but what do the users want to see? Well, we can actually create on the fly a map showing those ships that are coming into Los Angeles, their current location, and then I can begin to monitor those ships from origin to destination. Again, the customer came back to us and said, oh, this is great, except we have problems in supply chain. We don't know when issues occur within our network. So we went out to discover how we could help them with that. And in this case, what you see is a simple notification. This notification tells me my shipment's late. It's asking me to investigate it. This notification actually turns into an action. By clicking on this button, what I'm doing is I'm going out, I'm understanding this particular shipment that's been late, and I get a series of different types of information that come back. And you can see here we have our updated time of arrival. We also have people that we need to potentially contact, other information that's valuable. But didn't stop there. Through our use of generative AI, we enable the user to come in and actually click and create what we call a response hub for that shipment. In this map, you can see the location of the delay. You can also see the current location of the ship. In addition to that, using some generative AI on our space and time network, what we're able to do is connect all that data from the ship all the way down to the terminal, all the routes that run to the yard, and then where it goes from the yard to different warehouses. We provide our users also the ability to look at this through a timeline. Timelines in supply chain are very critical for things like detention and demurrage and when cargo gets on a ship. So by doing this, we provide them all that information, including dates, times, and then we enable them to respond to that just through a simple notification. When we connect this shipping aspect with our drayage community and with our drayage and our dispatching, what we get is a list of drayage movements that are taking place today. And as you can see here, this one's telling me that it needs attention. From here, I can click on this, and what will happen is it'll come over here and bring up a Survey 123 app, which will give my dispatcher the ability to come in and adjust that dispatch to make them more efficient. What I'm really excited about with our Maestro is it learns. It learns based on our user behavior, and it gets better, and it evolves. And we figured out a way for change management to automate the supply chain in full. So this isn't just about moving goods. This is really about moving together forward, making sure those sneakers and everything else get to you on time every time.